Good afternoon, it's Nola. I was asked by one of the people on the site to put together a kit, and I did best I could. I've had a lot of problems with this one because it's not necessarily my cup of tea, so it's not as easy as others. And because I'm not drawn to particular colors, then it's harder for me. But anyway, I did what I could. Now she knows who she is, and if she wants it, great, wonderful. And if you don't, that's very fine. And if you don't want it, let me know and I will put it up, see if anybody else wants it. And if they don't, then I will just start from scratch again. So here we go. This is the fabric I picked out for a background. Then I found this one. Actually, this is quite a big piece. And I like the colors in that one. So then I found some more pieces, and they range. This one is just a piece of cotton, and I'll put that there. And then I have another piece of this one. This is an awesome piece of fabric, so we'll put that one. Then I've got a little strip of this color, and I'll just keep showing you what I come up with. Then I came up with this one, and I found this one with the little um, glass things in it, or whatever they are. And then I have this one. And then we have this one. And this one I pulled out of fabrics that were given to me by one of my friends. So I really stretched to find fabrics for this one. Here's another one. And this one is very pretty. And I have this little piece here. And then I have this one. Was another piece that was given to me by Roseanne. But I'm willing to share. And this one here. Then I have this little piece, which was on a boho type of costume. So that was kind of cool. Then I have this little piece here. And this one, which I love this piece. It's just so interesting. I have one of these. I have this one. And I have a couple of little pieces here, which you can open up and spread out. And I have this one. So we go there with that one. And I have another one here. This one is quite sparkly. I put one of these in there because I like this color with the combination. If you find this too light, I just wouldn't use it, but I might use the flower. Then I have this piece of, it's kind of a burnt orange. I have a little smidge of red here. I have this, I don't know what they're called. There's that. I have this gorgeous piece that I feel goes well. There's another really cool piece here. Here's another one. Then I have some little bits, the orange rose, the red roses, this orangey colored ring, and the red. And then I found this piece of jewelry, which I think is perfect. And I have, I was going to use possibly some of this to tie it up because I like the way it looks. And then I have a red one as well that I can put in there as well. I'm not able to get it apart right now. But that's it. So, if you want this one, let me know. There's quite a bit of sari in it, so it'd have to be about $22 with all the sparkle in it. But let me know, and we can go from there. If you don't want it, that's perfectly fine. And if nobody else wants it, that's fine too. You know, you just never know. This was, like I said, it was extremely difficult for me because they're not my colors at all. I don't mind the oranges, but it's kind of a rusty orange kind of person. So you let me know what you think. And if it's not what you're looking for, that's not a problem. Just let me know. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.